What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Travis, and I produce daily content for homeowners and up-and-coming heating and air technicians, teaching you everything you need to know about heating and air. And on today's service call, what I want to do is this will be a quick one, but I wanted to document this this service call. Basically, I found a variable speed motor that was failed in the on position. We had a fan motor that would not turn off. And basically what it ended up being is a problem, a failure inside the motor, that the motor continually stayed on. And like I say, I don't know if you guys have run into this in the past. This is the first time that I can remember that I've ever found a variable speed motor failed in the on position. So if you want to see what happened, stay tuned and I'll see you at the furnace. Okay, guys, this is the unit that we're working on today. And the complaint was on this that the blower motor would not turn off. And we've got a variable speed motor on here. And let me show you what it's doing. It says the blower will not turn off whatsoever. And we know on these variable speed motors we got constant 240 volts going to this motor since it's a package unit. So I'm going to show you what it's doing because I've never seen one do this before. We'll pull off our low voltage of this motor, and this motor still runs. So something inside this variable speed motor has shorted out and caused the motor to run. Now on the variable speeds, we see this is the first time I've ever seen the variable speed motor fail in the on position. So basically we're not getting any power going to a variable speed motor, but basically with the 240 volts going to the motor, something in the motor or the module itself has actually caused this motor to continue to run. So like I say, what we did is we took the our speed taps off of the motor, and the motor still continues to run. So we go replace this motor and see if that takes care of it. Okay, guys, we've got the motor changed out. I've got the power back in. I've got everything hooked up, and we can see the motor is not running. I just wanted to document this. I know you guys probably, a lot of people have probably run in this a million times, but this is the first variable speed motor that I've ever seen that's failed in the on position. Basically, I wasn't getting any power to my motor itself. My motor was continually running, and no matter what you did, turn the thermostat off, turned everything off, the motor would continually run. So if you ever come to a gas pack and your motor continually runs, you're not getting any power to it, there is a possibility, which not a possibility, there's a very good chance that your blower motor, something with the module or whatever has gone out and caused the motor to run. So like I say, I just wanted to showcase this on a video so you could see it, because like I say, this is the first time I've ever ran into a variable speed motor that has failed in the on position. So maybe I'm behind the times or something like that, but a very good one to put a video up of. So I'm going to go ahead and put this motor back in and make sure everything comes on and turns off.